Depositions are very serious things. Depositions usually follow the filing of a lawsuit. So if, for instance, you're involved in a serious car crash where you've been injured, you want compensation for the damages, the medical bills, the lost time from work, things that matter to you that you weren't dealing with before. So if you have to sue someone in that instance, the attorneys will want to find out as much about you as they possibly can. So they'll call you in for what's called a deposition. The deposition usually takes place in a rather small room. You have a court reporter at the end of the table who is documenting everything that's said in the room. And then you have an attorney who's sitting across from you who's asking you a whole variety of questions throughout that day. They typically take about 2 to 3, maybe sometimes even 4 hours, and they really dig in. They want to know everything about you. They want to know your background. They want to know how many times you've been married. They want to know how many children you have and what their names are. But more importantly, they want to know about the claim that you filed or the lawsuit that you've brought. So again, using the car accident as an example, what happened that day? Who was driving? Who was the passenger? How were you injured? If so, to what degree? What doctors have you treated with? What about doctors from your past? Have you treated with any doctors from your past for similar type of injuries? And the whole purpose is to gather information about you as a person, to evaluate you as a person. How are you going to react in front of a jury when you testify about this in court? And more precisely, what exactly happened during this accident from your point of view? Because gathering that information is incredibly important to an attorney who's handling the case. They're going to develop their own themes, they're going to develop their own strategies about how to approach you at trial or sometime later in that litigation process to really evaluate the type of case you have. So it is incredibly important, and it's always wise to hire a lawyer to help you with that process so that you're better prepared for it.